No, we already understood what is the basic thing in the trophic level. Therefore, we can proceed to discuss about energy productivity. Energy productivity can be divided into primary productivity and secondary productivity. Primary productivity is a term used to describe the rate at which plants and other photosynthetic organisms produce organic compounds in an ecosystem. There are two aspects of primary productivity: first, gross primary productivity and net primary productivity. Gross primary productivity, or GPP, is the rate of organic carbon production via the reduction of carbon dioxide due to photosynthesis. Meanwhile, net primary productivity, or NPP, is gross primary production is minus photoautotrophic respiration, integrated over time and depth. Secondary productivity is the rate of biomass formation or energy fixation by heterotrophic organisms, such as grazers and decomposers. These derive all their energy from photosynthetic plants and other autotrophs, either directly or indirectly, and their productivity determines the number of trophic levels and the lengths of the food chains within an ecosystem. Another part of energy productivity, such as energy pyramid and biomass pyramid. An energy pyramid represents as flow of energy at each trophic level in an ecosystem. The flow of energy moves through the layers of the energy pyramid from the bottom up and is gradually reduced as energy is used up by the organisms at each level. Energy is used up for all life processes such as respiration, movement, metabolic processes, and reproduction. So, of the 100% total energy available to the plants or producer, only around 10% is made into plant tissues, while 90% is used up and is lost as heat. At each of the subsequent trophic levels, the same amount of energy, 90%, is lost as heat, while 10% is turned into available biomatter or tissue. By the time the energy reaches the top trophic level, the apex predators will only receive 0.01% of the primary energy. Because there is so little energy available at the highest trophic level, food chains are typically limited to a maximum of 6 levels. Throughout the entire energy pyramid, decomposers and detritivores break down the tissues and other organic matter which has not been consumed by animals higher in the food chain. In doing so, these organisms recycle the nutrients back into the soil, playing a vitally important role in the carbon and nitrogen cycles. The amount of organic matter that can be found in any living organism is called biomass. To convey the biomass present in organisms at various trophic levels, biomass pyramids will indicate the connection between the trophic level and biomass by quantifying the latter. The quantification uses grams per meter square to represent the volume of organic matter that can be found in an ecosystem at a given time.